Greetings, Odooers, and welcome to this knowledge tutorial. After creating an article, we now need to edit it to ensure it's pleasant to read. To do so, we'll add more content such as a cover picture and card views for our movies. Then we'll show you how to work with AI and knowledge as well. Ready? Let's start. Let's customize the article with a cover picture by going to the ellipsis and selecting Add Cover. A cover picture is automatically added based on the article's name. The suggested cover picture is not relevant. We should change it. Hover over it, click Replace Cover, and search for a suitable image by writing Cinema. In addition to replacing the cover, we can also reposition it. Just like this. We can also add a title emoji to our article's name and header. Click the page icon to open the emoji picker and select your preferred emoji. As you see, it's automatically matched in the sidebar tree and top bar. We now need an overview of our movies. Type / to display commands, which are shortcuts to perform formatting tools. In this case, we'll type /card, which is a knowledge-specific command to simulate a card view of our movies. Let's naturally call it Movies. Click New to add details on our first movie. Let's add a title and the synopsis that we'll insert into a clipboard to reuse later. We just received the poster, so we're going to add it as a cover as well. We can customize it further and add properties, which help us organize our database. Let's add a first property with the label Runtime and set its field type to text, leaving out the default value field. We'll also ensure this property is displayed in cards. We can also add other properties called genre and rating. Now let's fill in the properties with the values we've just created. Back to the main article. The movie is shown in a card view with its details. As a last feature, let's explore how to use AI by improving the introduction of our article. Just select the whole paragraph, which displays the text editor toolbar. Click on the magic wand icon, and Odoo's AI automatically suggests 3 alternative sentences. Thanks to the buttons over here, we can perform a more detailed improvement. Let's click Friendly. We now have 4 options to choose from. We'll go for Friendly, since we want our movies to connect with our viewers. Here it is. Our article has been edited to be informative and visually appealing. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial.